How's it going? Where you going, home? You're going home. Where you ended up?
So yeah, I'm going home.
Home? Where'd you go out drinking?
I got off work early and went to the Wit.
Mm-hmm.
To the little
I'm gonna catch you at the next light. Oh, boys, we're for sure getting her number. How about you take down my number to make this a little easier?
Hey, sir.
Hey, tell them to hold up.
So what is your number? Where are you from?
Barrington. Just call her right
Chicago.
now. So, I come down here all the time.
Born and raised here.
I'm originally from Jersey. Pick up your phone. Well, I got it. Ladies and gentlemen, and that is how you get a drunk girl's phone number. She like, who are you? I'm just an idiot, that's all. Huh? I know, I get shot. Like, don't shoot me, sweetheart. You're too pretty to shoot me. What's up, baby? I love you. Smile? No smile? Aww. I still love you. I'm just picking with you. Hey, check me out on Instagram. Is it cool if I put that up right there?
Sorry?
Is it cool if I put that on my channel?
Yeah, that's fine.
I just ride around and mess with people.
Oh.
You'll like it. Tell your friends.